Booking lecture and program tickets for the Mount, Edith Wharton's home. To purchase your lecture series and program tickets, please begin by visiting our website, www.edithwharton.org. From the home page, click the Buy Program Tickets button in the center of your screen. This will open the Programs page, displaying all of our upcoming public programs. Now, select a program you would like to book. Some programs may have multiple availabilities. These are indicated by green boxes on the calendar on the right of your screen. Select the date you wish to attend, then select the time, displayed in blue beneath the calendar. This will open the Tickets page. From here, select the ticket type and number of tickets you wish to purchase. Customers may select multiple ticket types. If you are a National Committee member or member of the Mount, select the appropriate ticket type. Selecting these ticket types will prompt you to enter your National Committee or Mount member discount code before you can proceed with your order. If you are a National Committee or Mount member, you will have received an email containing your discount code. This code is not your member ID number, and entering your member ID number in this field will not apply a discount. Entering the discount code will turn the box green and you may proceed with your order. Scroll to the bottom of your screen and click the Add to Cart icon. This will add your tickets to the shopping cart. You will now have the option to book additional programs and house tours, or complete your order. Click the Keep Shopping icon on the top right of your screen to continue shopping, or to check out, enter your name, email address, and payment information, then click Complete and Pay. A digital receipt and e-ticket will be sent to the email address provided. The Mount encourages paperless ticketing. You do not need to print your e-ticket prior to your visit. We look forward to seeing you at our programs.